Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Taco Bell app is not working. Let's begin. If you are encountering issues with the Taco Bell app not working, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. Number one is make sure that your Taco Bell app is up to date because updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can resolve the issues, alright? And then the next option that you can do is ensure that you have a stable internet connection. The app might not work properly if you are experiencing network issues. So try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the problem persists, alright? Now, if you are using an Android, I need you to go to the app management, app list, and look for the Taco Bell app. And from here, what I suggest for you to do is to simply clear the app cache and data. Alright? And from here, all I have to do is go to the storage and cache and clear the data as well, the user data. So user data, clear storage and clear cache, but please take note that clearing data will log you out of the app and remove any save preferences. And also in the mobile data and Wi-Fi, once again, I need you to understand that you ensure that you have a stable internet connection because the app might not work properly if you are experiencing network issues. And again, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if the problem persists. Alright, now the next option that you can do is to visit the Taco Bell website or social media channels to check if there are any reported service outages or issues affecting the app. If there are, of course, you may need to wait until the issue is resolved by Taco Bell itself. Now from here, the next option that you can do, if none of the above steps work, is to simply consider reaching out to the Taco Bell customer support. As you can see, there's an option below that says contact us option. I need you to click on it and you can always talk to Tacos with any of your concern. Now, the support team may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or insights into the issue. Okay, don't hesitate to do that, and by following all these steps you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any issues you're encountering with the Taco Bell app not working. And as you can see, these are the channels that you can reach the Taco Bell. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.